Welcome to today's part of the Aposphere Insight video tutorial. Today we will see how to get started in a diagram. Let's start with the results-based management example project. As you can see, it comes with a situation analysis and a theory of change. Let us click on the theory of change to start editing it. As you can see, we enter the model in view mode. Click one of the edit buttons to start editing. This blocks the editing of the diagram for all other users so that no conflicting changes can be made. You can move a box by selecting it and simply dragging it around. Click on the white background to unselect all boxes. To add a new box, open the menu on the bottom right and click on the desired box type. Drag the newly added strategy to the desired place. Let us connect this second strategy to the input as well. To do so, select the strategy and drag the connection icon to the input box. Note that you can only create connections between sensible box type combinations. The boxes which you cannot connect to are grayed out. You can change the side on which the connection end is attached to the box by dragging the icon to the desired side. Put it to the center to let the tool detect automatically what looks best. To add an anchor to the connection, click the plus button on the connection. You can drag the anchor around to change its position. In the context menu on the bottom, you can change the connection's line type from a curve to a straight line by clicking the dedicated button. Here, you can also add information describing the connection between the strategy and the input. Let us now add another input and put it into the same group box as the already existing inputs. To do this, we use the menu on the bottom right as we have seen just before. Select the group box and resize it. Then select the input and simply drag and drop it inside the group box. We have now seen the most important concepts for interacting with the visual diagram. Of course, a visual representation only makes sense when there is information behind it. To start editing a box, double-click it. The sidebar is the place where you are able to edit all the details of the box, such as title and description, monitoring, and so on. That brings us to the end of this part of the Aposphere Insight tutorial series. Thank you for watching and have fun working on your first diagram. Aposphere, complexity simplified.